Alright guys, just wanted to make another short video for you here. I got this Husqvarna, the 272S. So this was originally set up on a stump grinder. So I got, the bulk of it given to me. I don't have the stump grinder parts, but I'm going to put it back together as a chainsaw. These crank bearings were pretty toast, and fortunately I'm not going to roll the dice on the crank either. That was seemed pretty smoked. So I bought just one of those cheap kits off Amazon, with crank bearings, and gonna put a cheap top end on it and see how this thing runs. I never had or ran a 272, so we'll keep you posted on the update on this build. But I got the new bearings in the freezer right now, so we'll pop those in and seal these cases back up once the gasket shows up. So stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.